Welcome to aminacademy.com. In algebra challenge, let us solve square root of x minus 1 over x plus square root of 1 minus 1 over x equal to x. Then we have to solve this typical equation. Look at here. We have to substitute this first part of LHS equal to m. The second part is n. Let m equal to square root of x minus 1 over x and n equal to square root of 1 minus 1 over x. Then m plus n equal to x. That means this is m, this n, which is equal to x. Now multiply both sides by m minus n. Multiply m minus n both sides. We have m plus n, m minus n equal x into m minus n. We know that m plus n and m minus n is m squared minus n squared. Which is equal x into m minus n. Here substitute m. M is square root of x minus 1 over x. M squared is the square root will go. That is x minus 1 over x minus 1 minus 1 over x, which is equal m minus n into x. Here simplifying x minus 1 over x minus 1 minus minus plus 1 over x both cut, which is equal x into m minus n. Here therefore you see x minus 1 equal to x into m minus n. From this expression we can get m minus n equal to x minus 1 over x, which is equal x by x is 1 minus 1 over x. We got m minus n is this, and that we have, and also we have m plus n equal to x. So we write together m plus n equal to x and m minus n is 1 minus 1 over x. Here this is simultaneous solving this, adding n and minus n cancel. This is 2m equal x plus 1 minus 1 over x. So 2m equal x minus 1 over x plus 1. Already we have, look at here, m plus n is x, m minus n is here 1 minus 1 over x. Here we have two m equal further 2m equal x over 1 over x is m square, because square root of x minus 1 over x is m. So without square root it becomes m square plus 1. So collecting m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. It's a quadratic. So factorizing, which gives m minus 1 the whole square equal to 0. From this, m equal to 1 repeating. So already we have m is square root of x minus 1 over x, which is equal to m. Squaring both sides, we have x minus 1 over x equal m square. M is 1. Notice m here. M is equal to, m is already square root of x minus 1 over x, which is equal to 1. And squaring both sides, we have 1 square is 1. Now multiply throughout x. X square minus x into 1 over x equal to 1 into x, which is equal x square minus 1 equal to x. Collecting one side, x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. This is a further quadratic in terms of x. By solving this quadratic equation by using formula, that is a quadratic formula, x equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac. 4a is 1, c is minus 1 over 2a, 2 into 1. So for the simplification, minus of minus 1 is plus 1, plus or minus. Here 1 square is 1, minus 4 into 1 is plus 4, 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2. So x have two values, 1 plus root 5 over 2 and 1 minus root 5 over 2. Here 1 plus root 5 by 2 is the golden ratio. Now by using calculator we can get the values approximate to 3 decimal places. X equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2 equal 1.618 and 1 minus root 5 over 2 is minus 0.618. Now these are two values. We'll check both values for the original equation. Now our original equation is, we'll check now. Check both values in that given equation, which is the correct solution. You can find it. Now square root of x minus 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x equal to x. Now first we'll check the first value. X we put 1.618. Then square root of 1.618 minus 1 over 1.618 equal to x is 1.618. This relation will check it. Here and plus square root of 1 minus 1 over 1.618. It should be 1.618. We'll check it this. Here, this first part is square root of 999. It's 3 decimal places, and plus this value is second value is 0.382, which is equal to 1.618. We'll check it this. Here, square root of 0.999 is also 99 plus 3 place decimal place, and square root of 0.382 is 0.618. 1.618, which gives approximately both are equal. Then it is checked. If your decimal places increases, then that answer tends to 1.618. So the solution, that is x equal to 618, is true. For checking the second, put x equal to minus 0.618. That means this value, the second value is minus 618. We'll check, and that is minus 0.618, that is x, plus 1 over minus minus become plus 0.618 plus 1 minus or minus plus 1 over 0.618, which gives 0.9236 plus 1.618 equal 1 point, that is minus x value is 618, but this is not equal, so it's not a solution, not yet. Therefore our solution is x equal to 1.618. Therefore the solution, the only solution is x equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2, which is equal 1.618. So our solution is, yeah, we have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.